Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a wireless charging and or docking station made by Anker. So this is the Series 3 3-in-1 wireless charger from Anker that can work both with iOS devices as well as Android phones. So basically what this device is it's a wireless charging station that you would put onto your desk, and you'd be able to charge 3 devices at once. So I'll get to more detail on what devices can be charged with this once we open the box. But as we can see the box here though, really plain. Really, you actually from the outside cannot tell what exactly this is, which is kind of strange. But anyway, so let's go ahead and open the box here and get into it. Alright, so here it is right here. We have our literature packet, and then on the top here we have the actual charging station itself. We'll pull it out. There it is. So there's that. Let me set that off for just 1 minute. Then down the bottom here we have a few more accessories. We have the wall charger right here, a basic wall charger that goes to standard USB type A. Then we get a cable to plug the charging station into that wall adapter. However, the charging station itself does use USB-C. So if you wanted to, you could actually use a USB-C to USB-C cable. And then the last thing in here is a little adapter for the Apple Watch. So you can charge the Apple Watch on this. So getting back to the actual charging station itself, again, like I said, it's a 3-in-1. So you can charge up to 3 devices all at the same time. So the first device obviously would be your smartphone. Again, like I said, you can either charge a iPhone or an Android phone using this charging pad here. And so this charging pad can be used in 2 orientations, flat as it is now, or you can prop it up like so, and you can set your phone right in it, kind of like here. Grab a phone for demonstration, and there you go. And it would charge right away. Obviously, I don't have it plugged in, so it's not going to charge right now. Then you can also, again, fold it back down and bring it with you. So it is fairly portable, so it folds somewhat flat, which is kind of nice. And then on this other side here, you have a spot to charge your AirPods that have the wireless charging case, so you can put your AirPods on there. You could also theoretically charge another smaller wireless charging capable device on this little pad on the side. So it's not generally specific to being only to be used with an AirPods. So, I mean, technically, like I said, you could use it with something else. And then this little spot up top here is where this little ring would go. And you clip that right down into there. And that is where your Apple Watch would sit and charge. So it's a little bit different with the Apple Watch, however, because you could take the back off. And what you have to do to actually get the Apple Watch to charge, since it does not actually have a dedicated charging space, is you have to wrap the actual charging wire around this bottom section and feed it through the little hole here. And then basically that charging puck for the watch would be set right inside this circle, and that is how it would charge it. So now one thing to keep in mind though is that this is not supported with the Apple Watch chargers, or charging cables rather, that have the USB-C connector on the other end. And the reason being is you can see right where the watch's cable will plug into, it is a USB type A connector. So you have to use the older USB type A Apple Watch charging cable to use it with this particular station. Okay, and then real quick to give a quick demonstration on how pretty much how you'd use the charging station. So I've got an iPhone 10 right here. You can just plop it right here, and straight away you can see it immediately starts to charge. And if we take it off, you can see it stops charging. And we can also, like I said, fold this flat if you want to use it that way. Put the phone right on here, and you can see starts charging right away. Now you do also again have this other spot over here. It's not meant for a phone. However, if we take the Apple Watch little plug thing off, you could theoretically place this right here, and as you can see, you can technically charge 2 iPhones or 2 Android phones simultaneously using this particular charger. So That is one cool thing that is actually not advertised for this particular device, but you can indeed do that, which is pretty neat. That's basically it for this video. Hope you guys found this video helpful and or useful, and I will provide a link down below if you are interested in picking this particular charging and or docking station up. So yeah, anyway, with that all being said, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.